guys, my name is Devin. I've been lashing for a little bit over a year now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, hit the subscription button down below. So in this video, we will be discussing all things classic lashes. So classic lashes are the most natural. They look a little bit like mascara, and the way that you apply is you do one extension to one natural lash. So classic lash extensions are unique. They are heavier and have a thicker diameter compared to volume and mega. So the diameter for classic would be 0.15 or 0.18 compared to the usual 0.05 or 0.03 for volume or mega. One thing to watch out for with classic lashes is you want to take a good look at your client's natural lashes, make sure that they're healthy and strong enough to hold a classic lash since it is so heavy. So clients with gaps in their natural lashes, they would not be a good candidate for classic because there's no way to fill that gap with the classic lashes since, again, you are putting one extension on one natural lash. So you can just suggest volume or mega for clients with any type of gap. On the other hand, a perfect candidate for classic lashes would be someone with a lot of natural lashes because then you'll be able to get them a lot fuller and it'll give them that mascara look. So even though classic lashes are super natural, they do come in a lot of different curls, so you can do different styles with them. You could do super curly like DD or an L curl, so there's a lot of different things that you could do even if you do classic lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that it brought a ton of value to you. If you do want to become a certified lash artist, you can go to livbaylashclass.com and sign up for our next class. If you have any questions regarding classic lashes, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section and we'll be sure to answer them for you.